can play if we're gonna go hiking. We're already here.
All right, let's do some hiking. So we're here at Cabellero Canyon. We're gonna do some hiking. Huh?
Video. So I couldn't see when we were on the way.
Look at all that up there to hike.
I see the moon over there.
You see the moon?
Yeah, over there, see?
Okay, come on, let's go
That
in.
white thing is the moon.
It
Is
is.
the moon made out of the clouds?
No, it's like Earth. It's like a planet almost.
A full moon looks like a planet.
It's sure hot today, huh?
A full moon looks like a planet.
Yeah.
A full one is just the star. Come on,
You gotta find the shade.
there's shade.
Where?
Over there.
We need to cool off, huh? You're the leader. You're the one that knows everything. Hit these spots. Want to get a little water break?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, that's it then. You have to whisper. How come?
Are you listening to me? Over there.
Look at that bird.
I said we have to go over there, up there, on that mountain.
Okay.
That's where we're trying to go.
Kind of far. Is that where you guys went last time?
No?
So then how do you know we can get up there? How do you cross? Heidi?
Not so where we go. Okay, I say we should go.
No, go this way.
That's the way up.
Yeah.
We have to go up this mountain. We're definitely to the mountain.
Oh, watch out. Yeah, I think this way more. Look at those spiky bushes. Look over here. Look at them, they're called thistles. Don't touch them though. I think they're spiky. There isn't anything that way. What else? What did you see?
A lizard, and a butterfly. And
Look at those two.
And a fly. It was following us. They were all falling at the landing. That was a hike. Bye. Bye, Mr. Matthew. I'll see you on the way home. I'll see you when I wake up. Okay, Mr.